This is Mary Jo from the Warren-Trumbull County Public Library. I'm going to tell you how to make a book Christmas tree. This is a simple craft you can make from upcycled books. It would be a great decoration for your own home or to give as a gift. Here are the supplies you need. 1 paperback book with the cover and first few pages removed. You only need 130 to 150 pages to make one tree. A larger book can make 2 or more trees. A star or other ornament on a toothpick for the top of the tree. And hot glue or some other kind of glue for attaching the star. Step 1. Fold the top corner of the page down to the spine and crease it. Step 2. Fold the page down to the spine again and crease it. Step 3. Fold the bottom corner of the page underneath to make it even with the bottom of the book. Then continue folding each page. Try to keep the folds as tight to the spine as you can. Keep folding until you run out of pages. If you think your tree is done and you still have a few pages left, you can rip them out. To finish your tree, add a drop of hot glue to the star or ornament for the top. Then insert the toothpick into the top of the tree. All done! You can also add glitter, stick-on decorations, or ribbons to dress up your tree if you want. Thank you for watching this video. Please let us know if you make this craft, or if there are any other crafts you'd like us to show you. Happy holidays!